PlotBeam is available as a WordPress plugin for easy integration into your current WordPress websites. For this demonstration, we have created a Qlik Sense app that contains hospital patient data. The patient data has been visualized using a variety of Qlik Sense graph and chart types. This is available for anyone in my own Qlik Sense environment to view securely, but there is no way for me to securely share these visualizations with anyone external to my organization, except that is if I use PlotBeam. This is a WordPress website that I have created for this demonstration. I have installed the free PlotBeam plugin, which allows me to add my Qlik Sense data visualizations to my WordPress page. PlotBeam creates web-based versions of your Qlik Sense data visualizations. This means that these visualizations are now available for anyone to view via your WordPress website. PlotBeam data visualizations meet government standard accessibility requirements and can be customized to match your WordPress design without altering the original Qlik Sense data visualization.